All right, Bob, this week looks like a really good one to float the river.
Yes, indeed. Yesterday's high was 95, and I think we're going to be pretty close to that today. So good day to float the river. In fact, pretty much each day this week will be a good day to float the river. Just watch out for maybe some breezy to windy conditions in the afternoon. Dry and warm all week. Thunderstorms to our northwest. And breezy in the afternoon today, but a hot weekend shaping up. Much of the week looks pretty dry. Be careful with the fire, too. We do have some red flag warnings in effect for firefighters. More on that in just a bit. As far as lightning, we did have some thunderstorms producing some lightning in the Wallowa Mountains in northeastern Oregon. But, you know, if there's going to be any fires, that's the place to look. Pretty quiet around the Boise area, however. But we do have fire conditions. And that is due to some warm temperatures, low relative humidity, and also some winds expected. So red flag warnings in effect for eastern Idaho, also down in northern Utah, and also another red flag warning in effect for northern Nevada. That includes the Winnemucca area until 10 o'clock tonight. Here's our future radar. If we see any shower or thunderstorm activity, it's going to be mainly to the northwest, John Day, Baker City, most under the gun later in the afternoon. Here's our current readings outside with a layer of clouds up above, 64 degrees, winds at 3 miles per hour. Partly cloudy to mostly cloudy out there right now. Here in downtown Boise, we have 64 degrees, most mountain locations in the 40s and 50s. For this Monday, July the 18th, we're forecasting a high of 95 degrees, 3 degrees above normal, and the overnight low very close to normal. Here's a low pressure system spinning just off our northwest coast. We have a southwesterly flow cutting across the Gem State, and we have a high pressure ridge over the nation's midsection. Late in the week, this high pressure ridge will expand into our area, but much of the week we're looking at the southwesterly flow with any moisture just to our northwest. You'll see that reflected on our Futurecast computer model. Here we have this morning, as we go through the day, the heating of the day, some showers and isolated thunderstorms developing. John Day into Baker City, into northern Idaho. Then again, during the warmest part of the day on Tuesday, there's 3:30. Again, Baker City and John Day under the gun. Looks like they will dodge the McCall area for the most part. Here's a look at future rainfall accumulation between now, right on through Monday, right on through Tuesday here, and then right on through Wednesday. You can see most of the precip confined well to the northwest and to the north, even north of McCall. The other story is some breezy conditions expected today. Watch the wind shift from the south or southwest later in the day, and pretty good clip in Ontario and Caldwell, 12 miles per hour sustained. Could see some stronger gusts. Then the winds will be dying down with a setting sun, pretty light by the early morning hours. Regional forecast, sunny and warm for today. Twin Falls high 92, 82 for Sun Valley, sunny and warm. Sunny and also a little bit breezy at times. McCall and Cascade, you're close enough to those thunderstorms that you might see some outflow boundaries. And we have that possibility down here in the valley for some windy conditions to breezy in the afternoon hours. Otherwise, sunny and warm for today. Topping out in the mid-90s for today, but much of the week will be pretty close to, well, in that 92 to 96 degree temperature range with sunny to mostly sunny skies. That's Liga weather.